Hey everybody, I wanted to show you how to make your own curly picks like this. It's super easy, and I've been up since 4 o'clock in the morning making these, but you can make little individual ones like this and wrap them all together with some floral wire, or you can do like two yarns together and make like the swirly ones like this. But it's super easy. Okay, I'm using 20 gauge floral wire and chunky yarn, and I have two different sizes. You can use either a thicker one or a thinner one like this. It doesn't matter. I get the chunky yarn at, I believe I got it at Joann's last week. It was on sale. Hobby Lobby has some too when they have their sale. Unfortunately, they don't have any orange, which kind of stinks. Okay, so you're just going to take a little tiny bit of hot glue and put it on the end here. And mine is on low temp, so I don't burn myself. And you're just going to take the yarn and put it on the end here and pinch it. Just be careful. You don't want to burn yourself. Like I said, mine's on low temp. And you kind of want to cover the tip there. And then all you're going to do is just spin it. That's it. Super easy. And just keep spinning till about probably 2 inches from the end. Just keep spinning, just keep spinning. Don't mind me. Too much coffee. All right, so then I'm just going to take your hot glue again and put a little tiny bit on the end. And do the same thing. You're just going to spin it one more time and pinch it. Hold it, whoop, hold it there for a second. Again, be careful, don't burn yourself. And then take your scissors and cut off. And there you go. And then what I do is I take a glue stick and just roll it up, like make a hook with it, like a candy cane, kind of, sort of. Like that. Just make a little hook. And if there's any excess, like, you can just trim it up some. And then just roll it up. And you can roll it as tight or as loose, you know, whatever style you like. And there you go. And then you've got yourself some swirly picks. How stinking cute. And like I said, you can, if you use a chunky yarn, it looks a little bit like this. A little bigger. And you can wrap them up and make them into sets. And one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Lindsay had showed us how to make these peppermint candy things. If you have a Cricut, use it. If you go onto Cricut Design Space, they have tons of patterns for, look up candy cane or candy swirls, peppermint swirl, and it gives you all these patterns that you can use. So if you have a Cricut, you can cut the foam. You will need a deep cut blade for the glitter foam. But don't cut it on glitter foam, cut it on craft foam, because it will not cut through on the glitter foam setting. You have to use the craft foam setting. Anyways, I just wanted to share that. All right, guys. Well, happy crafting. Bye.